Today we're spicing up our product shots and commercials with the help of our new mini photo studio. It has a built-in ring light, interchangeable color backgrounds, and useful holes to poke your camera through and get unique shots. And it all comes shipped to your door, ready for you to spice up your videos too. Inside the box, you have a little travel bag. Inside that, you can find your user manual, different colored backgrounds, a Velcro light diffuser, and then your portable photo cube. Unfold it and rest down the interior wall to hold its shape. Then on top of the inside, you can find your ring light. On the outside, you can find a USB plug, power toggle, and light dimmer. Plug the USB cable into a power source and turn it on. Then the light cube starts glowing with light. Now you can put in your background of choice. At this point, put in your light diffuser. I got excited and started filming without it. Although everything was brightly lit and the solid color background looked good, you could see the reflection from the ring light. So I went back and Velcroed in the diffuser and tried again. Now it looks perfect, and we were able to film some unique and fun commercials. They looked really clean and kept the focus on the products. The little hole on top let us get some nice top-down shots, and has really brought our videos that professional feel. Now, we got the smallest option available to test. It measures in at 10 by 10 and is a good size for small products. If you film your videos vertically, this should give plenty of room. But if you film horizontally, you can see some of the edges at times. So for right now, we're just going to use this for our vertical short videos and photos. But I'd like to get a bigger one, so we can easily film horizontal videos as well. Other than that, I have no complaints. It's brought some new options to film our videos, and the results look great. So if you're looking to do some smaller product photography, this photo cube might just be for you. And if you have some bigger products you need photos of, don't worry, they have you covered there too. Till next time, I'm gonna go plan my next video shoot. See ya!